This isn't Hainanese chicken. This is Malaysian-style poached chicken. Juicy, tender, served with a bold chili lime sauce and rich soy sauce. Let's get started. First, prep your chicken. Cut off the tail end and remove the excess fat underneath. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Holding the chicken by the wing, dip it in and out of the water a few times. This helps the hot water get inside and ensures even cooking. Now top off the pot with more boiling water until it's 90% full. It's better to add water after the chicken's in. This keeps you from overfilling. Once the water starts to steam, lower the heat to medium-low. Add a slice of ginger and a few green onions. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. While that's cooking, let's make the soy shallot sauce. Chop up some shallots. And measure out your dark soy sauce. Heat oil in a small pot. Then saute the shallots until golden brown. Immediately pour the hot shallot oil into the dark soy sauce. Done. Next up, chili ginger sauce. Finely chop fresh red chilies. Mince some garlic and grate ginger. Add fresh lime juice. Sugar, vinegar, and salt. Mix it all up and set it aside. There's one more thing that takes this to the next level. Can you guess what that is? Keep watching. Back to the chicken. After 30 minutes, it should be fully cooked. Now we need to shock the chicken. Transfer it immediately into a bowl of cold or ice water to stop the cooking process. Use a fork to pierce just under the neck and a spatula in the other hand to lower it gently. Keep it submerged and let it chill. While that's happening, go back to the pot. Scoop some of that beautiful chicken oil floating at the top of the broth and add it to your chili sauce. And just a reminder, don't throw out that chicken stock. It's perfect for soups. I'll be sharing a recipe soon for a salmon tomato soup that uses this exact broth. Now for the final step. Chop up your chicken. And serve it over rice. This goes perfectly with my coconut rice, which I'll be sharing the recipe with you next week. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss it. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.